Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Dr. R.kmedicos. In this video, we will talk about general pharmacological principle. So continue to watch my video at last and never skip this video. If you are new at my YouTube channel, then please subscribe, like and share my YouTube channel and never forget to press the bell icon so that you will get notification of all video uploaded by me on my YouTube channel. Let's start this video without escaping the time. Firstly, we will discuss about the pharmacology and what do you understand by the pharmacology word, and it derives from Greek word as you can see on your screen, pharmakon, which means drug, and logos means discuss. In thus, the pharmacology is the science of drug, and in the broad sense, it deals with interaction of exogenously administered chemical molecules with living system. Now we will focus about the history of pharmacology, and the F. Magende, known as the pioneer of pharmacology, as you can see on your screen, and Rudolf Virchow, who founded the first Institute of Pharmacology in 1847 in Germany, and Oswald Aschenberg, regarded as a father of pharmacology. Now we will see the division of pharmacology. As you can see on your screen that the two main divisions of pharmacology, and first is pharmacodynamics and pharmacokinetics. And firstly, we will see the pharmacodynamics. The Greek word dynamis means power, right? As you can see here. And this include the physiological and biochemical effects of drug and their mechanism of action at the organ system, subcellular and macromolecular level. Example, the aniline upon the interaction with adrenoreceptor, a stimulation of cell membrane bounded adenyl cyclase, and which lead increase the intercellular cyclic prime 3 prime 5 AMP, and which result in cardiac stimulation as well as hepatic glycosenolysis and hyperglycemia. Now we will see the pharmacokinetics. The Greek word kinesis means the movement, and the pharmacokinetics refer to movement of drug in and alternation of drug by the body. This include absorption, distribution, binding localization, that is also known as storage, and biotransformation and excretion of drug. The process of pharmacokinetics can be illustrated by this example, as you can see on your screen that paracetamol, that is antipyretic drug as you already know, is rapidly and almost completely absorbed orally, attaining peak blood level within 30 to 60 minutes, and out of 25% bound to plasma protein and almost uniformly distributed in body. And as per knowledge, and you can know that the volume of distribution of paracetamol is approximately equal to 1 liter per kg, and extensively metabolized in liver and primarily by glucuronide and sulfate conjugation into inactive metabolites, and which are excreted in urine. And as you well know that it has a plasma half-life period is equal to 2 to 3 hours. Now we will discuss about drug. The drug word is derived from French word that is drogue, which means a dry herbs, and this can be defined as it is the single active chemicals entirely present in a medicine that is used for diagnosis, prevention, treatment, and that is also known as cure of the disease. According to WHO, that is World Health Organization, the drug is any substance or product that is used or is intended to use to modify or explore physiological system or the pathological state for the benefits of the recipients. And now we will discuss about pharmacotherapeutics, and it is the application of pharmacological information together with knowledge of the disease for its prevention as well as cure. Now the clinical pharmacology. It is nothing, it is the scientific study of drug, both of old or new in man, and it includes pharmacodynamics and pharmacokinetics. And now the aim of clinical pharmacology, the main aim of clinical pharmacology is to generate data for optimum use of drug and the practice of evidence based medicine. And now the chemotherapy. And what do you understand by the chemotherapy? It is nothing, it is the treatment of systemic infection, malignancy with a specific drug. Now we will focus on the classification of drug. The drug can be classified into two categories, and first is pharmacodynamic agent, and these are designed to have pharmacodynamic effect in the recipient. And the second type of the drug is chemotherapeutic agent, and these are designed to invade or kill invading parasite or the malignant cell, but have no minimal pharmacodynamic effect. And now, what do you understand by the pharmacy? It is the art and the science of compounding and dispensing drug or the preparing the suitable doses forms for the administration of drug to man or animals. It include collection, identification, purification, isolation, synthesis, standardization, and the quality control of the medicinal substance. Now, the pharmaceutist and the large scale manufacture of drug is called the pharmaceutist. I hope that you understand what is a pharmaceutist. Now we will discuss about toxicology in brief, and it is a study of poisonous effect or the side effect of drug and other chemicals, and that may arises from household, environmental pollutant, industrial, agriculture, and homicidal, and with the emphasis on the detection, prevention, and the treatment of poisons. Now we will discuss about the nature of drug. And while the majority are the organic compounds, some are purely inorganic like lithium carbonate, ferrous sulfate, magnesium hydroxide, etc. And the organic drug may be weakly acidic, such as aspirin, penicillin, or weakly basic, such as morphine, chloroquine, or non-electrolytes, such as alcohol, diethyl ether, and most drugs are normally solid, for example, the paracetamol and ampicillin and many more. And but some of such as ethanol, glycerol, trinitrite, propofol, castor oil are liquid, and few like nitrous oxide are present in gases. In this way, the gas drug are present in all three state of matter, that is solid, liquid, and gases. Now we will focus about molecular weight and the size of drug. The molecular weight of majority of drug fall in the range of 100 to 1000 D, and because the molecules are smaller than 100 D do not generally have the sufficient specific figure in the term of shape, size, configuration, and distribution of charges, etc. And on the other hand, the large molecule than 1000 D do not readily pass through the membranes, and that is a barrier in the body to reach the target site in the various tissue or cell. Now we'll focus on the source of drug, and first is plants. And as you already know that use of opium, belladonna, ephedra, cinchona, and the ashwagandha has been learned from Egyptian, Greek, Ayurvedic, Chinese, and other system of medicine. And the chemical and active ingredient of plants fall in the several category. And first is alkaloid. These are alkaloid is nothing. These are alkaline nitrogenous base having the potent activity. Prominent examples of the alkaloid are morphine, atropine, ephedrine, nicotine, ergotamine, reserpine, quinine, and vincristine. They are the mostly used in their water soluble hydrochloride and sulfide salt, right? Second ingredient of plant are glycosides. This compound consists of heterocyclic non-sugar moiety, that is also known as A-glycone, linked to sugar moiety through ether linkage. Cardiac glycosides such as digoxin, ovein are the best known glycosidic drug. Aminoglycosides are antibiotics obtained from microorganisms and have an amino sugar in the place of sugar moiety. Third ingredient of the plants are oils, and these are nothing. It is viscous inflammable liquid insoluble in water. Now There are the variety of oils as you can see on your screen are used in the form of drug. And other sources of drug are animals. As you already know that the endolin, thyroxine, insulin, liver extract like vitamin B12 are used in drug, and antisera and a few vaccines are also produced from animals. And now the other source of drugs are the microbes. Most of antibiotics are obtained from fungi such as actinomycetes and bacteria. Example penicillin, gentamicin, tetracycline, erythromycin, polymyxin B, actinomycin D, and that is anti-cancer in nature. And some enzymes such as diestrase obtained from a fungi and a streptokinase enzyme and that is extracted from a streptococci bacteria. As you already know that a streptokinase enzyme is used as a clot buster in case of patient suffering from the myocardial infarction. And the vaccine are produced by use of microbes. Now the other sources of drug include the minerals, few minerals such as iron salt, calcium salt, lithium carbonate, magnesium aluminum hydroxide, iodine are used as a medicinal substance. And the fifth sources are the synthetic chemistry, and it is now the largest source of medicine. And lastly, the biotechnology, as you already know that the several drugs, especially the peptides and the protein, are now produced by the recombinant DNA technology. For example, human growth hormone, human insulin, altaplase, interferon. These are the drugs which are produced by recombinant DNA technology. I hope that this video will be knowledgeable and informative for you. And if are you new at my YouTube channel, then please subscribe, like and share my YouTube channel and never forget to press bell icon. Thank you for watching my video.